Hi, my name's Yvonne and I'm an independent UK Stampin' Up demonstrator, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you what I ordered from the new mini catalogue from January to April 2025, and also show you the celebration items that I got as well. So if you purchase within between January and February, you can receive free gifts from this particular brochure. Right, let's get started. If you require a catalogue, if you want to send me an email, my email link will be down below, and then I will pop one in the post to you. Right, let's get started. So the first one stamp set is With You in Mind, and this particular stamp set is a million sales stamp set. So one of our demonstrators has designed this stamp set for passing her million sales. So this is on page 18. I'll just put a note on there, and this is the stamp set. So you've got a really big happy birthday and a thinking of you, best wishes, thank you, and some you've got a cupcake, a flower, star, heart, and leaves as well. So that is With You in Mind, and that's on page 18. The next one is Simple Birthday, which is on page 19. So this is just says happy birthday, and this is a really big happy birthday stamp in photopolymer. So that's a really versatile stamp. And what you can do, if you don't want the happy, or if you want the happy but you don't want that birthday, you can always mask your birthday off and just ink up the happy and then do a smaller birthday, however you want to do it, either way around. So that's a great stamp set, all-round stamp set to have, and that's on page 19. I apologise for the glare. I'm not in my usual craft room, so I'm doing my best with what I've got. Right, so the next one is Timeless Plaid 6x6 designer series paper, and this is on page 25. So here are the papers. So you've got various plaids and checks in all sorts of colours, and they look really good. I'm liking the colours that have been chosen for this particular designer series paper. So as you can see, I'll read the colours out. We've got Basic Beige, Blue, Boho Blue, Cajun Craze, Calypso Coral, Cherry Cobbler, Crumb Cake, Early Espresso, Lost Lagoon, Misty Moonlight, Mossy Meadow, Old Olive, Pebbled Path, Pecan Pie, and Wild Wheat. So lots of backgrounds for cards, and they can be gender neutral, which is great, and you've got a good selection of the colours and the patterns, and there we go. So that is all those ones. So again, that's Timeless Plaid, page 25. The next one is Delightful Wishes. So we have wishing, and then you were here, you wishing you all the best, wishing you happy birthday, lots of love, wishing you well, and then we've got some flower parts as well here. then I've actually got the bundle for this one. So here are the dies. So your wishing is a really big die, and then you've got all your other photopolymers dies there, stamps there, as you can see. I apologise for the glare. And then here are the dies if you purchase a bundle. So we've got the wishing in the shadow and the actual lines. Then you've got the flower outlines, you've got a label there, there's a bit of a branch, and then you've got various leaves, flowers, some shapes, and some detailed flower parts as well. So that is Delightful Wishes, and that's on page 34. The next one is birthday celebration. So you've got some banners, you've got the ST, ND, RD, TH for the dates. Then you've got happy day, birthday, hooray, make a wish for you. And then inside, so again, this is a photopolymer stamp. So you can see how big the stamps are. And then I also have the dies. So with this die, you get the numbers. Then you get part of the banners here that you can die cut. Then you've got the tassels and some other little bits and pieces relating to this. So yeah, that's a really nice set to have, very versatile. Again, I seem to have picked up a lot of birthday celebrations in this particular order. So there we go, and that's on page 43. And the final one is from page 52, and this is for the books. Now I'm loving this one because I've got a lot of friends that love to read. So you've got a stack of books, you've got individual books, and then you've got this from the library of, and then You're a Solid, and then you've got like stars, Story of Us, you've got a pair of glasses, and this one's for the books. And inside we have the photopolymer stamps again with, you can see the sizes. That's really good. And then I got the bundle with this. So here are the dies. So you've got a book, and then you've got the pages, and then you've got a side view of a book, a little tab, and then this little die as well here. So that is for the books, and that's on page 52. Sorry for the me clicking. So because I purchased a certain amount, then I could choose items from the celebration catalogue. So I will quickly show you that. So here we have some gems. So these are purple adhesive back sequins, and I've just put them in one of our envelopes, plastic envelopes, so you can see the colours are really nice, different sizes. And then we have here pick a season. So you've got a tree, and then you can put in the various items for that tree depending on the season. So this is the stamp set. Again, we've got photopolymer. I don't think I've got any cling stamp sets this time. It's all photopolymer, it seems to be. So yes, I like that one. That's a nice one to have. again, this is all items that I picked for free because I've spent over a certain amount of on my order. And then we have some Toadstool Garden 6x6 Designer Series paper, and I forgot to open it, so I will open it now. Whoops. You can tell I haven't got my regular, I'm not in my regular craft room because I haven't got a pokey tool to open the papers, so I apologise for that. So here we are, we've got Toadstool, so that's that side, and then the other side is greens. Just take those off. Then we've got this one here, and that's the reverse. Make a little bit of an odd angle at the moment, so I apologise for that. Then we've got some more Rainbow Toadstools, and that's the reverse, so you've got a like a wood effect. I say normally I prepare these, but I haven't. Here you've got some dots and some stripes, so that's good. Here we've got some different toadstools and then some stripes. They're nice. Here we've got some snails and some bugs, and then that's the reverse, which is a pinky crisscross, which is very nice. And I think that's it. Yes. So the colours are, for the Toadstool Gardens, you've got Early Espresso, Fresh Freesia, Granny Apple Green, Melon Mambo, Poppy Parade and Pumpkin Pie. Always keep these because it gives you the colours, and then that'll help you when you're picking your cards out, when you're designing your projects or doing your cards. Right, so that is that part, and then finally, oops, there were some items that I picked up from our online exclusives. Now, I think it was probably a couple of years ago, we had a similar stamp set with dogs, and now we have a Meow Mates. So this is a background stamp set, which is a cling stamp set, so it's the first cling stamp set that I've got. And so as you can see, it's quite a big background, but it's got all the pussycats on there. You've got different types of cats, so you'll be able to pick out your favourite, and you can stamp this as a background and highlight one of the cats as your favourite, or the breed that you have. So that is Meow Mates. And here we have elements of text. So we've got different text in different shapes, and then we've got some blodgers as well. So this will be great with the books stamp for the what's it called? For the book stamp set. That would go really well with that. And this again is a cling stamp set, so you can see the size of the texts in various shapes, and then your ink blodgers. So that's really a really nice one. And then this one here, I've got a Starstruck embossing folder. So I don't know whether you can see that or not, but you've got like lots of starry, flowery type, but it's an embossing folder. So these three here are on our online exclusives. So these won't be in the catalogue, but when you go to the shop, then you better have a look at the online exclusives and see what's available. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. I apologise if it's not quite as smooth as I normally are able to do them, but as I say, I'm doing this on a little bit of a fly to see if I can make it work. Well, thank you very much for watching, and please click that like and subscribe button. I'm trying to, for 2025, to reach 400 subscribers, so that would be great if you could help me out on that one. And all the links are down below for the shop and where my email address, so you can send me an email to receive your new mini catalogue. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.